In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 defaults to OneDrive. So first, in your PC, open up your File Explorer, then go to your Documents or Pictures or Desktop folders and right-click on the folder. Next is click on Properties. Then from this window, switch to the Location tab. And here, click on Restore Default. Then press Apply to save your changes. That action moves the folder back to your local drive instead of OneDrive. Now to stop OneDrive from taking over again, click on the OneDrive icon in your system tray. It usually looks like this, a small cloud with this blue refreshing icon. So simply click on the icon, then next is click on the gear icon and click on settings. Now inside sync and backup page, click on manage backup and here simply turn off options for desktop, documents, and pictures. This prevents Windows from automatically redirecting your files to OneDrive. And of course, don't forget to click on Save Changes. You can also pause or unlink your PC from OneDrive if you don't want to use it at all. And to do that, once again, click on the OneDrive icon, then click on the gear icon, and click on Pause Syncing to pause linking from your PC. Now head over to Settings once again. Then next is switch to account. And here simply click on unlink this PC. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!